Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. So in the last video we were learning about functions, so now it's the time to create our first project using the functions. So create three files like color game. So basically I'll just take two files and then I'll just make a new one. Yeah, perfect. So this CSS will go here. Sorry for that. Then just link my CSS file, style sheet, then here video.css. to check if it is linked, you should always do this test. It's not necessary, but it's good to start with this thing. So black, and yeah, it's connected, no problem like there. And you can check the JavaScript file also if you want, but I don't want now, so no need to check now. So first of all we need to create some buttons. I'll just show you how the color game is going to look. So just let me open a file. I'll go to desktop, learn coding. Okay, then yeah, I'll just show you the color. Yeah, this is the file. I'll just open and show you how it is going to look. So yeah, here's a game, how it is going to look. Not a game, but basically a program. You can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 buttons, and some colors are written on them. So if you press them, the body color will change. So this is a very easy project, so that it will not be hard for beginners also, and it will be very easy. And you just need to understand why we're writing that logic and code. So you can see that when I click on red, the color changes to red. When I click on green, it changes to green. And then when I click on blue, it changes to blue. And when I click on black, it changes to black. Same for yellow and white. So you can see that it's like this. So let me just close it and just color.html, and then I'm just going to remove this. Okay, so we need first 6 buttons. So input, so just let me go, and you need to create 6 buttons. So I'll just create one button, then we are going to copy paste rest of them, because if we do like this it will take a lot of time. Then value, you can do with the button tag also, but I prefer this. Then ID should be red. Then close this. Same, I'm going to copy and paste this 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then first red, then you need to make it green. Then ID also green. Perfect. Then this should be blue. I'm just keeping according to my order. If you want to change the order, you can change that also, no problem. Blue. Then just copy this blue. Then I'm going to change it to black. And then white is the most important, because we just don't want to refresh, we want to change the color back with the button only. So that is why I'm adding the white button. There's no reason, just this is the reason. Then yellow. You can add more colors if you want, but 6 colors according to me is efficient, because we'll write the functions code 6 times, so we'll just get an idea how functions work. And if you want to add more colors, it's upon you, but here I only prefer adding 6 colors. So yeah, we are done with our HTML. Now let's move on to the CSS. So red, we need to apply styling, because currently the buttons didn't look good. You can see that they're all like this. We need to give them a proper styling. So first of all, the text color should be white. Then I want it to be background color red as its name. Then a border 1px solid black, margin 15px You can give it according to your computer size. These sizes fit completely in my computer size, so I'm giving these. If they do not fit, you can change them as I told in my earlier projects also. So just you can change it. Then left should be 100 px. So this button is like this. So we need to make all the buttons now. You can see that this button looks good. So same code, copy it again, then paste it, and here I'm going to change it green, and here just we need to make a few changes, green, and then everything is going to remain same. Okay, actually it needs to be blue. It's your choice, but I'm giving it blue over here, and here it needs to be blue. Yeah, perfect. So now you can see that it's a difference between them. Next color is green. Okay, next color is green. Green. Yeah, change this color to green, and then same thing is going to remain. Black. Black, and then same thing, you can just give this background color to black. Okay, don't need this border color for this. Yeah, so color white, position. Yeah, perfect. Now we just need to do the two of them, that is yellow and white. Yellow, then background color yellow. Okay, left is going to change a little bit. It is now going to be 151 px, and in the black it is going to be 112 px. Okay, I just changed the border here, so I'm going to make it black. Here it is going to be yellow. Perfect. So then we are going to make lastly for white. White. Yeah, perfect. So now you can see that the buttons. Okay, we just forgot to put the margin. So the margin is going to be 186 px. Yeah, now they look perfect, and yeah, they now look perfect. So now it's time to write the JavaScript code. So it's just we need to write this function one time, then we'll copy it for 6 times. Function read, so document dot get element by id. So this is a new thing. This document means that this whole thing is a document. You can see that this whole page is a document, and then get element by id, it will only get the element that has an id, not classes. So here I've given everything by id, so you also give that by id, and we'll later learn how to do both class and id. So here I'm going to type red, then you're going to do that style dot css. Okay, not actually red, but yeah, we're also going to give the body id screen. Yeah, and we're going to use this screen. Then this is also new, style.css text. It's basically used to change the style link using JavaScript. So style means basically the style, and CSS text means you need to write some text. So write background color and just check your spelling it. So here no autocorrect comes, so you need to check it. And sorry, yeah, red. So when we click on this, we need to define a function. So go on this, on click, we need to give the function as red. On click, so basically when we click, so it is working. Now the same thing we need to do for the rest of them. So just copy this function, change the name, green, and the background color should be green. and just go here, copy this, give a space and green. So now we're going to check whether it's working, and yeah, it's working. So now again copy this function. So the next color after green is blue, and then change this also. Don't just change this to blue. Go over here, copy. Okay, just copy it. Yeah, perfect. Copy blue. Yeah, perfect. So now we need to just check whether this works. Yeah, perfect, it's working. And then the same thing we'll do with yellow. Oh, sorry, black. Yeah, we'll do it with black. Then it should be black here as well. Then go here, copy this and paste this. Black. Check whether it's working. Yes, it's working. Then copy this function again. So this is basically a very basic code so that everybody can understand, because in starting we can't do complex project. That's why this is going to be a basic project. Yellow. Yeah, and change the background color as well. Yellow, copy this. Yellow. So you click on this, it changes. Now lastly it's white. So here we'll give it, before defining the function, yellow, white. Yeah, go here, copy this, white. Change this to white. So suppose I'm pressing any color, then I click on white, it will change to white. And here we just can do one change, is that the text color of this should be black, so it will kind of be visible, and this also is not visible properly. So I'm going to go here and just, okay, not this, I just don't want to change it to the RGB. I want to make it black. Okay, now it looks a bit good. So now when I press black, it works. Blue, green, red, yellow and white. So if you have any doubts, comment me down, and if your code is not working, check it once and match it to my code and understand the code and write. So thank you for this video, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.